Welcome to our journey towards optimal health, where we unlock the secrets to living a vibrant and fulfilling life. Narrator. Our first tip: start your day with a nutritious breakfast. Fuel your body and mind with wholesome foods that provide sustained energy throughout the day. Next, prioritize physical activity. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga session, or a fun sport with friends, find activities you enjoy to stay active and energized. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Take a few moments to pause, breathe deeply, and connect with the present moment. Nourish your body with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. These nutrient-rich foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Prioritize quality sleep. Create a calming bedtime routine and ensure your sleep environment is conducive to restful sleep. Stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water. Hydration is key to maintaining optimal bodily functions. Reduce stress through relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or spending time in nature. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues and eat mindfully. Pay attention to the sensations of hunger and fullness. Stay connected with loved ones and cultivate strong social relationships. Positive social interactions contribute to emotional well-being. Lastly, remember to celebrate progress, no matter how small. Every step you take towards better health is a victory worth acknowledging and celebrating.